As global attention to sustainable development and environmental protection continues to increase, the new energy vehicle industry is undergoing a tremendous transformation. It is predicted that this transformation will have far-reaching effects on multiple industries and trigger significant changes within the industrial scope. This video will explore the impact of automotive transformation on industry structure. Conventional automobile manufacturing industry. The rise of new energy vehicles will have a significant impact on traditional fuel vehicle manufacturing. It is expected that in the next few decades, new energy vehicles will gradually replace fuel vehicles as the mainstream choice. Fuel vehicle manufacturers will face the pressure of transformation and need to accelerate technological innovation and product upgrades to adapt to changing market demands. Petroleum industry. With the popularization of new energy vehicles, the demand for petroleum may decline. The petroleum industry will face changes in supply-demand structure and a decrease in market share. Therefore, petroleum companies need to seek new growth opportunities, such as transforming into renewable energy developers or providing electric vehicle charging infrastructure. Battery and energy storage technology. The rapid development of new energy vehicles will greatly drive the battery and energy storage technology industry. Electric vehicles require efficient and reliable battery systems, presenting significant business opportunities for battery manufacturers. At the same time, energy storage technology will also be widely applied in other areas such as renewable energy generation and smart grids. Charging infrastructure. With the widespread adoption of electric vehicles, the construction of charging infrastructure will become a crucial area. It is expected that the development of the new energy vehicle industry will significantly increase the demand for charging infrastructure. This will drive the development of related industries such as charging equipment manufacturers, charging station construction, and operators. Automotive service industry. The rise of new energy vehicles will have a significant impact on the automotive service industry. Traditional service models for vehicle repairs, maintenance, and after-sales services will need to be adapted to the characteristics of new energy vehicles. Additionally, the intelligent features of electric vehicles will give rise to new forms of automotive services such as connected cars and remote diagnostics. Copper, lithium, and other raw materials. The widespread adoption of new energy vehicles will generate a substantial increase in demand for raw materials such as copper and lithium. Materials used in electric vehicle batteries, such as lithium and copper, will become critical elements in the supply chain. Therefore, raw material suppliers need to expand production capacity while seeking more sustainable mining and recycling methods to meet market demands. Internet and smart technologies. The intelligent features of new energy vehicles will drive the development of the internet and smart technologies. Cars will become terminal devices for mobile internet, and technologies such as intelligent driving and connected cars will be widely applied. This will drive innovation in related industries such as artificial intelligence, big data analysis, and autonomous driving technologies. Urban planning and infrastructure development. The popularity of new energy vehicles will also place new requirements on urban planning and infrastructure development. Charging infrastructure, intelligent transportation systems, and other related aspects need to be appropriately planned and laid out to accommodate the needs of electric vehicles. Additionally, new services such as new energy vehicle sharing and smart parking systems may emerge, transforming urban transportation and travel modes. The transformation of the new energy vehicle industry will have a broad and profound impact on multiple industries. Apart from the transformation challenges faced by the conventional automobile manufacturing industry and the petroleum industry, opportunities for development will arise in areas such as battery and energy storage technology, charging infrastructure, and automotive service industry. Moreover, raw material suppliers, internet and smart technologies, urban planning, and infrastructure development industries will also face new opportunities and challenges due to the rise of new energy vehicles. In this new era of industrial transformation, all industries need to actively adapt and respond, seizing opportunities to achieve sustainable development. That's all for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe for more content. We will regularly share knowledge about import and export trade with you. See you next time.